War between Russia and Ukraine still going on. Recently, Ukraine carried out a drone attack on Moscow region of Russia. Russian officials said that many drones were shot down by air defense system, but some drones reached their targets. One of the target was oil refinery near Moscow. The attack caused a fire and damaged the facility. Ukraine said these attacks are aimed at the place that supports Russia's war efforts. After the attack, security was increased in around the Russia. Emergency teams were put alert and some airports faced temporary restrictions. These attacks show that the war is now reaching area far away from the main battlefield. In another incident, a drone hit residential building in Russia's region. According to the local authorities, one person was killed and several others injured. Rescue teams quickly arrived and start emergency operations. Drone attacks have become a major part of this war. Both sides are using drones to target important locations. As a result, the conflict is affecting more cities and civilians than before. For now, the situation remains tense. The world is closely watching to see what happens next in Russia-Ukraine war.